In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Perplexity AI login issues. If you're stuck in a login loop, seeing an error, or nothing happens when you click sign in, this walkthrough will help you get back in quickly and safely. We'll start by removing the most common blockers. Many ad blockers and privacy extensions interfere with the sign-in process by blocking third-party cookies or essential scripts. Temporarily pause any active ad blockers and privacy tools in your browser, then refresh the page and try again. If you're not sure which extension is causing the issue, open an incognito or private window and visit the Perplexity AI homepage there. Most extensions are disabled by default in private mode, which makes it an easy way to test. If logging in works in incognito, you've confirmed an extension is the culprit. You can then re-enable tools one by one later to find the specific conflict. If that didn't resolve it, the next fix is to clear your browser's cookies and cache. Outdated or corrupted session data is a frequent cause of login loops. To limit disruption, clear data just for the Perplexity site rather than wiping your entire browser. In most browsers, you can click the padlock or site icon next to the address bar, open site settings, and clear cookies and stored data for that site only. If you do choose a broader clear, remember this will sign you out of other websites and may remove saved preferences. After clearing, close all tabs for the site, open a fresh tab, return to the Perplexity AI homepage, and try signing in again. Finally, make sure you're choosing the exact same social login you originally used to create your account. If you signed up with Google, click Sign In and select the same Google profile you used before. If you signed up with Apple, use Sign In with Apple again. Picking a different provider can fail or create a separate account, which looks like the login isn't working. On Google, double check you're selecting the right profile if you have multiple accounts in your browser. On Apple, confirm you're using the same Apple ID and the same Hide My Email setting you used when you first created the account. Once you've selected the matching provider, the login should complete normally. That's it. Disable conflicting extensions or try incognito, clear cookies and cache if needed, and sign in with the same provider you originally used. Follow these steps in order, and you'll typically resolve Perplexity AI login issues in just a few minutes.